Hey food lovers! Welcome back to Amazing Food MN. If you're hungry for something tasty, easy, and fun, you're in the perfect place. Today, I'm bringing you 5 delicious recipes plus simple cooking tips that will make your kitchen life way easier. No fancy chef skills, no expensive ingredients, just real, flavorful food you can make at home. So grab a spoon, grab your apron, and let's jump right into the magic of home cooking. Pot of food fire. Cooking doesn't have to be difficult or stressful. With a few smart tips and simple steps, anyone can cook tasty meals at home. These 5 recipes are easy, budget-friendly, and perfect for beginners or busy people. Some are quick, some are comforting, and all of them bring plenty of flavor to your table. Let's get cooking. Spaghetti 1. Creamy garlic pasta. This dish is easy, cheap, and incredibly satisfying. Ingredients: pasta, butter, garlic, milk or cream, salt and pepper, cheese, optional. How to make: boil the pasta. In another pan, melt butter and add chopped garlic. Cook until it smells amazing. Add milk or cream and let it thicken. Mix the pasta into the sauce, add salt and pepper, and top with cheese. White medium star cooking tip: save a little pasta water. It helps make the sauce smoother and creamier. Cooking 2. Simple veggie omelette. Perfect for breakfast, lunch, or even dinner. Ingredients: eggs, onions, tomatoes, peppers, salt and pepper, oil or butter. How to make: beat the eggs. Sauté chopped veggies. Pour eggs on top of the veggies. Cook until golden. Flip it or fold it, completely up to you. White medium star cooking tip: add just a splash of milk to the eggs. It makes the omelette soft and fluffy. Sandwich 3. Grilled cheese sandwich. A classic American favorite that's insanely simple. Ingredients: bread, butter, cheese. How to make: butter the bread on one side. Place cheese between 2 slices. Fry in a pan until both sides are crispy and golden. White medium star cooking tip: cook on low heat so the cheese melts perfectly without burning the bread. Pot of food 4. Vegetable soup. Healthy, warm, and great for meal prep. Ingredients: any vegetables you like. Water or broth. Salt. Pepper. Herbs like basil or oregano. How to make: boil chopped veggies in water or broth. Add seasoning. Cook until everything is soft. That's it. White medium star cooking tip: make a big pot and store leftovers. Soup tastes even better the next day. Poultry leg 5. Easy baked chicken. Juicy, flavorful, and great with rice or potatoes. Ingredients: chicken pieces, oil, garlic, salt, pepper, paprika or any spice blend. How to make: season the chicken. Add oil. Bake in the oven until golden and cooked through. It's simple but tastes great every time. White medium star cooking tip: let the chicken rest for 5 minutes after baking. This keeps it juicy. Extra cooking tips to make your food even better. Cooking isn't just about recipes, it's also about smart habits in the kitchen. So here are a few extra tips that can help anyone cook like a pro. White medium star tip 1, always taste while cooking. Don't wait until the end. Taste your food as you go. Adjust salt, spices, and flavors early. White medium star tip 2, keep your knife sharp. A sharp knife is safer and helps you cut faster and cleaner. White medium star tip 3, don't rush the heat. Cooking on low or medium heat gives better flavor. High heat burns food fast. White medium star tip 4, prep ingredients before you start. Chop your veggies, measure your spices, and get everything ready. It makes cooking smoother. White medium star tip 5, keep it simple. You don't need complicated recipes. Simple, fresh ingredients often taste better. White medium star tip 6, stay clean while cooking. Wash dishes and wipe counters as you go. A clean kitchen makes cooking more fun. White medium star tip 7, spice smart. Start with small amounts of spices. You can always add more, but you can't take it out. White medium star tip 8, use leftovers wisely. Leftovers can become brand new meals. Chicken salad or sandwich. Rice fried rice. Veggies soup. White medium star tip 9, don't be afraid to experiment. Try new ingredients, new combinations, and new cooking styles. Cooking should be fun, not stressful. Alright food lovers, that wraps up today's super tasty video. I hope you enjoyed these 5 delicious recipes and the easy cooking tips that can make your kitchen life way smoother. If you want more recipes like this, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and comment which recipe you want me to make next. Thanks for watching Amazing Food MN, where simple food tastes amazing. Stay happy, stay hungry, and I'll see you in the next video. Fork and knife with plate fire.